This is Unit 1.5 homework, or for some of you as classwork. I'm gonna quickly show you how to set up the problems from number 7 all the way down, but I'm only doing one part of it. The rest I'm just gonna show you how to set up for X. Then once you solve for X, you can find, you just plug it in to find the rest of the angle. So for the first one, AOB, uh, AOB, which is this angle, is given to be 4x minus 1. BO, then BOC, BOC is given to be 2x plus 15. And the whole thing, which is AOC, is given to be 8x plus 8. So to solve for x, you got to take the two smaller one, which is 4x minus 1, plus the green one, which is 2x plus 15, make it equal to the whole thing, which is AOC. Here we have 8x plus 8. And again, when you have equal sign, the numbers or the variables that are before the equal sign, you just combine them as they are. So 4x plus 2x gives you 6x, then minus 1 plus 15 gives you 14 equals 8x plus 8. Then when I'm taking it to the other side, that's when I do the opposite, negative 6x minus 6x to both sides. And 14 equals 2x plus 8. Then I'll do minus 8 from both sides. Then you have 2x equals 7. No, 6. Then x would be 3. Then you take this x, plug it in into AOB to find this. Then you take the x, plug it into here to find BOC, then plug it into here to find the whole thing. All right, for problem number 11 to 14, we do the same thing, but now the numbers that they gave us, or the equation they gave us, is different. So the first one is COB. COB is given to be 8x plus 13. And BOC, let me use a different color. COD is 8x. I made a mistake. So COD, which is the big one, is given to be 8x plus 13. And BOC is 3x minus 10. BOD, which is the whole thing, is given to be 12x minus 6. So you got to take the two smaller ones, which is 3x minus 10 plus 8x plus 13 equals to the whole thing, which is 12x minus 6. And then you solve for x. Okay? All right, for number 15 to 16, we have to follow what is given. ABC and EBF are pair of vertical angles, so I know vertical angles looks like this. So I can name the first one. B is going to be the vertex, and EBF. So one of them is given to be ABC's 3x plus 8. All right, so this is what's going to be 3x plus 8, 2x plus 48. Knowing that they are vertical angles, you know they have to be congruent to each other. So to set this problem up, you just do 3x plus 8 equals to 2x plus 48. Okay, then you just solve it. All right, next page is JKL and MNP are complementary angles. Complementary equals to 90. So I'll take 2x minus 3 plus 5x plus 2 equals to 90-degree angle. So this is how you would set it up. Again, if they are on the same side of the equal sign, combine like terms. This gives you 7x minus 3 plus 2 gives you just uh, minus x. So I'll just leave it as minus 1, I'm sorry, equals to 90. Then you add and you just divide it by the number. All right, so in this case, I already drew the picture for you. It says QS is an angle bisector of PQR. That means this angle here and this are going to be equal. PQS is given to be 3x. SQR is given to be 5x minus 20. So all you have to do for this part of it, I guess, is 3x equals 5x minus 20. And you just solve for x and plug it in. For this problem, which is PQS, I'll use the green one. PQS is 2x plus 1. RQS is 4x minus 15. Again, you just have to set them equal to each other. All right, the number 24, no, 25 and 26. This one is a little bit different, so I'll just redraw it here. P, Q, R, and the QS is the bisector. So PQR, the whole thing is given to be 3x minus 12. PQS is 30. You know it's a bisector, so this has to be 30. So combined, it should equal to 60. So to solve for this one, you do 60 equals 3x minus 12. And you just solve for x. Number 27 to 30 is just yes or no question. So just pay attention. The only time you can say congruent is if they have the same marking. For example, it says DAB is this angle here has one marking, and CDB has one marking, so this will be true. They are congruent. Uh, B is always like the middle one is what you have to look at. The next one is ABD, which is this angle here. And they say CBD are linear pair. Yeah, they are a straight line. So this is also going to be true. And that's what you guys have to do. Just mark it and see it. The last one, which is 31 to 33, is again complementary angle. You should know that's equal to 90. So you have to do 7x minus 1 plus 4x plus 3 equals to 90-degree angle. So solve it, solve for x, then plug it in into each so that you guys can get the result. Okay, so this is just a quick review of the practice 1.5. Let me know if you have any questions.